on with us. We have some more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. We have a reaction from Shiv Sena, the Uddhav Thackeray faction's MP Sanjay Raut, who has in fact also spoken about security deployment in West Bengal for the polls. He has alleged that over 2.5 lakh personnel have been deployed in the state. He has claimed that the presence is excessive and has said it is creating fear among voters, calling the situation terrorizing for the voters. Listen in.
कोई भी चुनाव में अगर कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, राजनीतिक दल जो केंद्र में सत्ता में है, वो अगर ताकत लगाती है तो उसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है, लेकिन इसे मैं ताकत नहीं कहता। ये एक प्रकार का टेररिज्म है जो पश्चिम बंगाल में चल रहा है। 2.5 लाख से ऊपर पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स, उससे भी ज़्यादा हर राज्य से ऐसे अधिकारियों को यहाँ लाया है जो अपने आप को इनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट मानते हैं। ऐसे अधिकारी लाकर मतदाताओं को, उम्मीदवारों को टेरराइज कर रहे हैं।
Let's go back to Hridita, who continues to be with us right now. Hridita, we just heard what Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary had to say about the deployment of security personnel and contrast that to what Sanjay Raut, the Sena UBT MP, had to say.
Well, absolutely, that is what I was telling you about. Also, like in the Bengal fraction, we see the Congress is actually weakened in support, in giving their support to the Trinamool Congress, and that is what was reflected in the audio of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary as well. At the point when Trinamool Congress has been stating that the CRPF Jawans are here to create a fear psychosis in the heads of people, the way their approach is towards the people, the way they are doing their route marches, and also the kind of cars that have been brought. We have been seeing the Trinamool Congress right and again raising a problem to it and saying that if a Rafale was also brought, if this deployment could have been done in Pahalgam, then Pahalgam wouldn't have happened. Exactly on that same note, we see the UBT leader also supporting the Trinamool Congress, and we see how the India Alliance in Bengal's election have been supporting and singing the lines of the same unity that the Trinamool Congress have been stating, and that was quite visible with the, and also as pointed out by you over the voice clip that the audience, that our viewers heard just now.
All right. Thank you very much, Hridita, for the moment. Appreciate you joining us with all of those details. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.